Who is it?
Mrs. Zuko.
Mrs. Zuko?
Hello? Mrs. Zuko? No? Oh, this is a bird. Mrs. Zuko, I want something.
You want to tell her something? What do you want to tell her?
Milky.
You want to tell her Milky?
Yeah.
Huh. Really?
Mrs. Zuko?
Did you see her this morning?
Yeah.
You did? Really?
Mrs. Zuko? You want to go in the shark?
You want Mrs. Zuko to go in the big truck?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I bet she'd like that.
Okay. Then my bulldozer.
You think she'd like your bulldozer?
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
You want my...
What's she going to ride?
Go on my bulldozer.
She's going to go ride your bulldozer. Okay.
Mrs. Zuko, will go drive my bulldozer?
Is it time to say goodbye, Mrs. Zuko?